back to my channel. Today is a very special day. It is my birthday. It's December 5th, 2021, and I am with Akeem. He set up a gorgeous picnic for my birthday. I'm about to fall. I'm so grateful for him. This is gorgeous. I actually had no plans for my birthday, like no plans. I wasn't even supposed to be in St. Lucia, and this was very last minute, and he did an amazing job. So thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate you. And let's get to the festivities. Not the rain. Oh, poor baby. He saved our setup, and then the rain stopped. It just started pouring for no reason. Ugh, get it together.
Oh God.
Wow.
I literally did.
Happy birthday! But we're back in business. Thank you, babe. Okay, so Akeem is such a genius. I'm obsessed with Money Heist. He is, but I think I'm a little more obsessed. Yes. And they have new episodes. So he planned this picnic and he brought the iPad with Netflix on there for us to watch the episodes of Money Heist. I'm so excited. I love that show so much. If you haven't watched it yet, get on it.
You really should.
Yeah, it's such a great show. So we're just going to,
Speaker.
Oh, speaker. Oh, we're gonna hear it on the speaker?
Yes. What?
I didn't even think about that. It's lit, y'all. It's beautiful, honestly, it really is. I'm so excited. Like, this was the best idea. Yay! It better not rain again, because I'm trying to chill the sunset, watching Money Heist with my boo for my birthday. This is such a great birthday. Oh, we have how many episodes? Wow, okay. What?
PG-13.
Set me up. Set me up. This is easily one of my favorite birthday celebrations. I think I always do a lot of high energy things, and this year I wasn't really planning on doing anything for my birthday. I just kind of wanted to relax, and this was perfect. It really was. It really is, because it's happening right now. I'm so happy.
You see something?
Can y'all guess what he just showed me? He's wearing shorts. He's wearing short pants. I believe, sir. What do you have to do again? You have to
I don't know. I feel like you have to do.
You're such a heathen. Oh, hold on, let me see. You have to that's not it.
No, you don't have to do the cross thingy.
To me, they just give it. You just open your mouth. Pause.
I don't know. I don't know unless I've been to church.
Heathen.
Okay.
That's such a big
As long as your tongue.
Hold on, let me drink because I was just eating. I just had the blood of Christ. Wait, we needed the red wine. Okay.
No, we're going to hell for this, you know. You laughing?
Give it to me!
Okay. A lump.
It's so big.
That's what she said.
Oh, this doesn't sound good.
Oh my god. No, what's happening?
Oh wait, what happened last time? They had just caught. Okay, so I think we're gonna end the vlog here. This has been such a beautiful experience. I'm so thankful for Akim, who's holding the camera, and he really planned an amazing birthday for me. I had nothing planned, nothing. I didn't have an outfit till yesterday. Like this, I couldn't be happier. I'm so grateful. Thank you to everyone who wished me a happy birthday. This was a very, very happy birthday. December has been magical from beginning and is going to end magical, and the rest of my 2022, well, into 2022. And I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, share, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.